A beautiful story about Eid al-Fitr. The night sky was calm, and the moon was shining softly above the city. After 30 days of fasting, patience, and prayer during the holy month of Ramadan, something special was about to happen. It was the night before Eid. In a small house, a young boy named Ahmad stood by the window, looking at the sky with excitement in his eyes. "Mother, is tomorrow Eid?" he asked softly. His mother smiled warmly and said, "Yes, my son. Tomorrow is Eid al-Fitr." Ahmad's face lit up with happiness. That night, the house was full of joy. His mother prepared sweet dishes. The smell of fresh food filled the air. His father cleaned the house and got everything ready for the big day. Ahmad carefully placed his new clothes near his bed. He wanted everything to be perfect. But before going to sleep, his father called him and said, "Ahmad, do you know what makes Eid truly special?" Ahmad thought for a moment and said, "New clothes? Delicious food? Gifts?" "No, my son. Eid is special because it is a day of gratitude, kindness, and sharing." Early in the morning, Ahmad woke up with excitement. The sun had just risen, and the streets were filled with people wearing clean and beautiful clothes. Families walked together toward the mosque for the Eid prayer. Ahmed held his father's hand as they joined the crowd. After the prayer, people hugged each other and said, "Eid Mubarak." It was a moment of unity, love, and peace. On their way home, Ahmed noticed something. A poor man was sitting quietly by the side of the road. His clothes were old and he looked tired. Ahmad looked at his father and asked, "Why is he alone on Eid?" His father stopped and said, "This is why we give charity. No one should feel alone or hungry on this day." Ahmad remembered his father's words from the night before. Without thinking twice, he took a small gift and some sweets from his pocket and walked toward the man. He gave them with a smile and said, "Eid Mubarak." The man's eyes filled with tears. For the first time that day, Ahmad understood something very important. Later, at home, the family sat together, eating and laughing. But Ahmad felt something deeper in his heart. He had received many things that day: food, gifts, and happiness. But the best feeling was giving. That evening, Ahmad sat again by the window, looking at the sky. This time, his heart was full. He whispered softly, "Thank you for this beautiful Eid." Moral of the story: Eid is not only about celebration, it is about kindness, gratitude, helping others, and sharing happiness, because the true joy of Eid al-Fitr is not in what we receive, but in what we give.